Obra so say da badwa for betena say atwe komo minje hu na chepa Bro Jajem fi former Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer of NDC. Former National Youth Organizer aspirant. Now, Deputy Director in charge of special duties. Or NDC Amyukum Atenase. The Kojo Boatiaj, my former constituency chairman, New Dwabe North. Former Eastern Regional Chairman aspirant of the New Patriotic Party. And a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Chema Bokodi.
Yami dia che.
Who watch it?
Aye da so miss me who watch it.
Say da be na bada me.
Me nko ba bia na adwuma no say okay say ma me chia we hwefo nyina bi. Na me chia wonso. Na me chia me nua broja. Me tin catch on okoya ni election na of special duties no. Of course ko share cape coach ko ye wie no. If from me tin kan bi.
Okay after saying no.
Debi.
National one.
Okay. Na me hwe na me hunu say na de no ho akanwura. Before the election 1 month.
Okay.
Na broja ni na musa ni you free. After assembly bibia wie so na maintain kan. Na me hu na me say broja ho ayefe. Say Ghana ko yema o. Nti me hu na me say na hwe say de kokko aba ni ni sai na. No money assignment special duties ya ka hu ide say we do it ni price no cost nti me chia no na mama na kwa ba so say me hu na chepa personally say me hu no
okay
over a year ago cra
okay
me hu na che ye share set so say ya maintaining ka eto bia na me hu no TV so kakra issue ni ba ye na ni abre elections no me hu say me hu no TV so kakra say media de mo pa no nti di krekra ni sa na me wo krom ha say before that no na me ye mi adwuma nti me so me go share istin kakra
okay
a month before the guys on my last encounter with Omahini ha and sana will be called vacation near there. Me so me dey share istin ko ye adwuma kakra because near per resource nti
when your resource
ni nyame Adom baby odi akodu no Ebenezer yedanase na ni aka wanimu no na aka but na ye dey na so dey bi da yeso because
100% to Eastern
Eastern region there except say unin dynamics in Eastern region
okay
so unin mu pa there now so call election was Eastern na ultimate control who say ubenya 100% that because you see Ghana baby election din pa Eastern region
okay
ubisa obia oko northern sector there are a group of people omo say that need diversity problems for ho what you say oko Ashanti region Ashanti tune one line only problem but Eastern a cosmopolitan region. Indeed, the difficulty is that to convince one sector, another group, another family, would be two sana mono. Not just say was so year juma more
okay.
Because ufa is to be about 3-6 areas of a Krobo zone. Afa achim cry achim mienu yo kotoku any achim ankasa block. When you 3 beboa, weba kuapem. When you 4 waba migrated from the Ashanti region. Asan and Waba. Otia say, and son of a Krobo for no Krobo no craba kwam kwa kosomo area honum kwam any num for no so ewo ho. Inti akuapem block na kra mu ache be mienu. Akuapem na ngese na kropon block no ho. Ansana ayi efra o mi say latefo no so ewo ho. Otia say inti enye regional o sore na so koye mu adwuma e da form say da bia na champion kan bibi o say o be so wa ban ye powerful ni hwe Eastern region.
Oh.
And indeed it is true.
Okay.
Revolution survived because of Eastern region when Rawlings was in power. Because almost all powerful men are not normally adwuma from Eastern region.
Okay.
Inti no your region there so o2 and this so but results e jan no it's a huge achievement. 59 against 80. Yeah, bad. Then you enipa no kura 2 year kura na too free 80 ni mu no kura ye ni mu nyina The same family. Oh, just say. No, because a relationship.
Yeah.
Until you can say, oh, Rob, what Chejako, or the man finding example.
Yeah.
Or your council, or your council member.
Yeah.
Okay, don't want a top of man.
Yeah.
Into better film, and I'm
yeah.
Hosa.
Roger,
Azi,
bibi aboko de.
Ami Adom. Amencha ahefo ne omo social media baby omo mo hwe. Me ho eja.
Say oba na ekwa na sa fedie. Yemfa ba ma bi mfrem.
NDC running mate no. Oh, and the former president Mahama. Ono na party no to me Eshenensa.
Okay.
As the leader of the party on ebeyi.
Yeah.
The obeyi ni bia e beta na chi.
Ene no. Ene na ko. Momoso. Because momoso na mokwa akoton. Nipa no de bang. And na political scientist be ka say now the name John Mahama no might not be considered too much. Nipa be partner no and be a topic. So se nipa we partner no so anyi nipa ne ton be ye mrede amamoa. The be kwa ekosi enkosi ko.
Yen share any problem.
Okay.
Wo election no.
Oh, okay.
I will say former president Mahama o hwehwe nipa obetimi na ye adwuma. Na waboa ma oman na koyie.
Okay.
Say ye ton party na kodi nkunim de.
Okay.
Na ye nuanu mu ye kura no. E de aduru animu bebre. Nti running mate ho asem ne ye de oni former president Mahama e be ye adwuma. Omo adwuma ye mu no ebetimi akoyie na amaga na enya so mfaso. Nti nipa officer obetimi na ye adwuma bia no. Oto ne nsa frɛ no a NDC ku ni nyina yebekwa akota na chi ama dwumadi a odi no etimi akoyie na chairman so mi hu na che se enye ye to me die ni wie na ye to ono no die ni wie na mi hu no mi hu ne besi ne na
that's a good one na it's a very good one na
adia o maye o eastern region o ma nya de kra se ko to aba na bo acheja akonde bia eastern ho no wo
yeah.
Because me ta tete nkofo kan se de bia obekọ no wo ho de bia obekọ no wo ho na makoto aba mo man say
if you nya for
mo anya de
sir
obi free region no pa se okope mampani
the region grant energy over there mampani
mama anya de
kra say no so ko ball game wa Ashanti region
na Ashanti region kra na ma anya de kra no na wo se me di kan first
and how free can free ho
some ma lanche matin 10 votes nipa dodo ewo nipa 10 no mo free Ashanti region o kan o nyina de ebo mo enu 20 mo
man barely 10%.
How can you do that? Enye no it's not fair. I don't know am ye no obi anim say mo ehwe ponkofo nti mo na mo kire ba bia vote no ebeko but at least o say mo de money to say nipa sumasi o free ha say de mo gu ala nchema tie ni mo ase wa Ashanti region
okay
tiba omia be weni ama ala timi aba Ashanti say enkoto aba ma ba omia enim gu ase e dia kan 10 vote out of 100 and something
in the region 100%.
Nanya hona ye papa nkofo ani so a ye papa nkofo ani so a pulling agent nyina adwane wonte
na se ba omia route on the region na no odi
there be nipa 28
yeah
yes the first one they kire second one they kire third one agent ne kan ya na se hona showdown if here no nte de ekoso wo ye pam obi afiri ho
oh
na mp kura to de akire constituency chairman obetima to atia 100% ba kukura ansay omo aka nyina 0000000 oh debi sa election we there whipping election omo sheda ye say yenko ni sei
okay
aha na enyefe kura enimguase amode amalan yi se me wa no obekoso agina na musan ye sa bi odi a ene say NDC ne eda nyame ase
chairman
yes mira
GS security agencies investigate assault case at Nkotia Presby SHS.
Yeah, baby. Before that, you know, say we now my open statement. I don't care. They might. Oh, me respond. Oh, that's it. We any response be asked. They me can say. Say me buy officially. Me said that na ye ade ni nyina nso wie no me hye dan pie set bia say na mama me afidi kesi ya betena so adom so de obetena so a na ya adom ni hira so tiase iti de wo say otumi kan say otumi kan ma manfo nso hu say at least de omo ye ma aso wani otiase na me can say I've been in the Eastern region a month before the elections and san na me ra ba hono they can make the Eastern region for nyina say the delegates no mu din komo before the election no say be about Miaba region no it was about the polling station for kra no be din komo kese intinu the election process ni nyina no me da bia de me can say abri bia ne tam nyame si ne hene otiase na about Mia I can dia odiye na party nyina ni da no so no enye just because obi hwepo obi me first say at this moment a divine grace adom bi na akano because o hwe enipa edinachi a yebetumi aka say aban ye aka say aban te so na yebeka cho say ebia nko bi aka say na do ho abufu ntie say because abati aba omia no these are the people they are on the ground working for him okay otiase intinu minua broja kan ade obumomu no munyina ye because all and some thing they say a internal contest and ameboa for whatever the reason they say okan Eastern region of so be ko rabo cheja ko say Eastern region for amabo cheja ko o man fa mala wasanti say nye bone it tells you say party no is prepared and make sure say we select somebody sabi ntokwa e be ko 2024 and akunsi e be ko 2024 no sabi ora Mahama onye any ordinary person okay otiase na okaso ni kusi akon a wakone sa keke in every strategy on the ground no e say no project way I have to say na aka no omo buapa na omo ye na ura ba omi ade o na say na kono kra ye easy emre ne beso na so a oho na nya gidie say MPP for nyame ye madom ni nipa mko selecting no and it change the dynamics on the ground. It is that delegation in Nasi. Meaning, say the police station in there. Baku, Zemashenkom. Yeah. My journal online there, that in the beginning of the year. Say, Uraba Umia, say, where your nomination, means politics in DB. And I will be interested in politics. It in the first instances, delegates, where clearly legitimate sample like okay compare with the 200,000 say 8,000 yeah. But as someone me can here before this then I make can say election no need to be enough me na me chairman okay me na me name police station for tena say ye fair nipa e komo ben na omudi san komo na omudi no e no na translate me there this legitimate sample na yeah.
But Udim Uka and Komshe my party communicate about also Ashanti region. And so I think on the 12th of July this year on Untumi radio. Emma also kasu asunda yebi. Neda ene say NPP beto super delegates every no. Neni pan 9-4 and I go through. But main election over 200,000. Nipa no obedi kan super delegate no obi free chira baji nkunimdie no efre ne se so and in fact ne die ne die eba first one na basane amafo be kra mo dwuro mo ko ni se ke koto aba yi nipa 5 but the 4 no kan na eba mpepentira ma ehu aba
so nyame tiase nyame tiase
se man ko fo ye ma se
na one daye no you see abri nyina ene na namo a obetu sa daye no ebema ba bia ye free ba aye adwumaden
okay
it's good
yeah
daye no ebema ye to namo so that it will not be a complacency by saying say yenya 68% nti yeko nti sa daye no be hye ye nkuran ama ya make sure say adwuma no on the police station is no the dynamics so will be different
because it before any 2 year on me go through
and no abem
and you be out what kind of say we colleague no say nipa for say we quickly for the benefit of more share internet ya share Diana NPP communicator they can say untumi
And I don't know Kodano. If you knew D any BBO, one leg or say one leg abem and I'm okay, so we are looking for the second one. And you
no, nipa 5 there. It could be say yes, nipa 5
because what mean can nipa 5?
Oh, say nipa 5 na mo kwasle to.
And what mean can nipa 5? The point is that a clear whether mean challenging the
dialogue. Said the obey first no so e be emphatic. Ba omia de nso are emphatic.
Very well.
Let's say one e be leap from ba omia.
Me to her. Media mean so
that. Mo hwehwe we na mo interview no na oba.
Na media me can match say Alanto Martinya no be running mate or no be can July and then the omo no.
O say NMM.
We say me catch him said there is no way I hear call this elections. Ora about me be lose this
super delegate and I will so the na bem. Go say super delegate no. Ba me be win emphatically until say Alan Jai no be running mate.
Exactly.
Ba we no kan Alan asemo.
It media
say ebi be free akire.
Yes.
Abeli frog ebi kura na yakoto. Maybe because on that fourth say until leap frog there no just nipa no reap.
Yes.
However, I planting for food. Okay.
Because say Ausha Canada Japan.
Okay. Okay near there.
One say mama na analysis bin throw. One say Canada Japan.
Yeah.
Say on the second. On a ben ba omia.
On na do.
So sign ba omia when enye leap frog. Enye leap frog.
And walk past. Okay.
And na Alan abedi third.
Okay. And you run over.
No betimi aye leapfrog.
Na no ye 3.
O say I said 3 and 4 no mo na leapfrog dey oben ne dey. Onu ne be work. Enti ade na
you no be lipi akasa ne.
Ade na it's not just I don't baby say if Broja is analyzing it from the leapfrog.
Okay.
Me dey
assess the candidate
na me make
so you're analyst. So we are not challenging that. That is our job sitting here. Okay. At the end of the day, you did it better than even my first presentation by saying, okay, we should leapfrog there. I say between 3rd and 4th, crowd will be to me. Maybe. And yes, sir. Okay. So,
pardon the diet.
Oh, just mommy, come on, so the now.
Chama no crow. Okay.
18
because first one there I didn't no say so for being a kan ya I can say capsas ade we ye be boss ma na sorry ayema because I'm no kan pepe nipa 4 no cry ya 2 years no so no say nipa 4 na
by likelihood it could happen I don't know young can just say make us a national council but change akoka say the system that we have put in place, likelihood say nipa mienu betun abo bracket and no go farm boy.
Ba say nipa mienu
no. Or say bracket betun abo.
And no say nipa mienu betun anya 0.
And now you can say about bracket.
Yeah. Bracket no aba mienu. Say nipa mienu na nya 3.
Mathematically, scientific, statistically, it happened.
Okay.
It is on no catch say. Now, on the mathematics or so as that. Nipa 4 aba. Ultimately can try and say nipa 5 may go through because the system has set it up such a way say yes nipa 5.
Yes.
It do like just say nipa 5 on can.
News
And now or no so catch us so that nipa 4. That tells you say the boacheja akokan say nipa bi betun abo bracket no. It goes with it. Okay.
Who said also kind no. Na ye e bet me. But this one is emphatic. And yes, a bit was say, me so Diane.
We back who crown to am
na nipa 4. Eduka ya present and crack say nipa 5. Say there be nipa 4.
And a qualified. Say nipa 10 na qualified.
Inti. O dey argue.
But say nipa 10 na qualified. Papa no and come share na bem clear.
And kona so mo go tia so. Now
when we are sure say 2020 election across on die. No, see MPP are winning. 2020 election.
Oh yeah, sure.
Maybe yeah, sure because they are
find the search here.
Oh, what's the so?
But yeah,
they just your media me say.
Okay.
So be say o show nkomo a.
We nyam come share. O say die.
Oh, na die no come say difference then. Difference be any. Difference is say that you and come share titi. So for me ba the show nkomo a na e wo de what ni de nyame aka kire one can't just also that. We or your software go back to the song.
Yeah, chairman, we know.
80 two things.
Yes, you name Kumia, yes, Sunday.
Then come say come say.
Okay. Akwesi, adie we kire say omo e ka say nipa ni nyina nyai na omo nkotaba omo echi no. They are not, it's not well placed.
Okay.
Because who follow the papaya kanwa.
Okay.
E kire say bibi betumi asesa. So, nti omo e ka say e na we munyai na we munyai no. I don't think say
right. And I can challenge that or die and say Miss Me can be upeti.
Chama won so die you.
Oh, na
obi na so the die no what can one say.
And more.
No, ni pan die.
Also analyze it die no.
From maybe to analyze it die. Professor me yes, sir.
That is a first part na bem.
Okay, intimate.
Second, mu na ye kan ho asem dia, obetimi a conjecture, but the first one abem a
who should second one betimi abem.
Yes. And at the on say me no me kra na menim say main election no.
Okay.
Said the Canada Japan are performing no. On e be haba omia.
Okay.
But leapfrog no.
Yes.
Just leapfrog no.
Propaganda.
And na ade no assistant dynamics ni nyina. Yes. Ama akoton waye ala waye
analytically.
Okay.
Do you think say even where onu baby kro bi difu akokan akoto akokan alan?
Yeah.
I can stay Canada Japan but
who the frog
no issue ni prof who be say said obetimi akire mu akire no e bia na onu cry so can the obeto sim yenu ne betimi about say then up to how the grammar was placed but the me can show on say the fact that say mean soon die doesn't mean I can predict. Okay? Because at the end, oh yeah, scientifically and mathematically, what is on the ground? And I'll do hunkumo. And out to the mechanism. And yet, I bring in a sabi, who you need any power to school. O corner for your exams, sir. O kwa Algajan say, the I am a soon and I'm barbetro. For what you have learned.
Okay.
But
and on the ground and a minimum crofo broadcast or so that I know what pass no university so results by no failure.
Chairman, on say
let me establish my point.
Minim say nyame suni ni pa kasa wa kwan wo
obianje searching. It me I'm talking from scientific base.
Okay.
And in all all science, okay? There be I can say o fire for do. One my bet my catcher said Diane de Yakupon Bessom area 3.
Yes.
Science will tell you say for what the doctors will tell you ebe 7. No bet me sayare. Menka say I send free nyame. But he used the same science because no di nimdia no amano and odi yes adwuma. Into the miracle ebe sayare and eye 3 pe.
Okay.
That is what I'm telling you say. I didn't know no kind of June. Now me can me
12 July.
12 July. Me on your sister station, Joy, Asempa, and all those things happen in March.
Okay.
Okay. Says there is no way Baumia ever lose this particular elections because scientific I was on the ground.
So
continuously. That is what we are going now.
Okay.
May catch us say the election Baumia elections wasn't about the super delegates. I'm telling you for the fact. Election about Baumia Edibe winning this our general election our flag bearership no and yes super delegate. Me super delegate man down you know that. It was on the police stations.
Because they forgone.
Because of the ejuma na yaye. Okay. And the more near to coordinators are now. There be me bisa other candidates. I mean no me na ejuma chomaza. I've been in this process for 32 years. Yeah. Okay? From 92, I was there. The maybe say all the delegates are okay. Constituency were where are their constituencies? Okay. Over the Alan, where they are bring din Alan pa bisa say the coordinators. Any nipa need in where are their constituencies? Is that Patak? Is that no? Is that no? Those people, where is their constituencies? This is the game.
Like their control.
That's me. Me can't constituency. That is what I mean. And I'm using the political language.
Say deputy finance minister Bakono. Obano. Yes, so support to Alan.
So constituency. Into one. say obi anka hwe
and
slide so slide so obi so onu so obi enti ye koto oba so wanya bi ana wanya bi
kana mate
there be better say wanya so your numbers ni bi obu nyina to bi ana meboa but the aggregation of it tells you say who have the majority of the constituency. Okay. It's the direction where the party is going.
So be a pro control the constituencies who are looking at the number now supporting Alano as against Baumia.
Exactly.
It tells you.
And I can tell you for the fact that it was the constituencies who were giving strong. You say who your chairman who kon yena yesuma.
Okay.
Into the person yen and a person kokoye mine.
Okay.
Because chairman no so person protecting the city in future.
Yeah.
And you reba Baumia anti. Oh, protecting the future.
The chairman ne omom to abeli nyane base for ni dinkomo.
Ye dinkomo.
Eche se hin fa na pese ye deko.
Exactly.
E to bom to ma ala no eye microphone so no mu dinkomo. Mo se ka chom say support ala na support Ken. Ana support Akoto.
Obi wo hankra na no relationship. O hwe ne number na obi to aka tro say eye relationship. Because eye okọ councillor. O WW o hini to ni president. WW o hini to ni president. Titi.
Okasa na say also one fair because ne Baumia e de no ko en kwan de omo ye consultation nya approval
opa metimi aka one constituency in the Eastern region natural obo the deputy minister of finance there mebo metimi aka to say odotuma Alan because no Alan coordinator metimi aka say the chairman etuma Baumia.
That is what we believe
me see it is not just
for a fact.
Oh, because what is on the ground, you don't know all, but nice constituency in much you
oh, young Fabi Bianton.
Okay.
One say, Yen I award a pen.
Yeah.
Me pay John Mahama, a pay NDC. Tia Kotwaba, Naso Fubi Bekan say MPP Bewenia. Sometimes you use your emotions to fight against the Yankopon. But the Yamia canon a bebem. Enti Yemfa Yakuma ewo ade no ho no ento nchen.
Okay. Any emotions nisi.
Yes. Okay. Asem no papa na ka no.
Okay.
Me start say me follow no. Say ekoto 2024 aba. No obe kan say NDC be luso am yem be hye. Because asem no awaka no. Ade no atom say bia edru wa esan baby amakuma wontini me prima kuma na me yet say de wuye
still be ye ho adwuma
because ade no first one atom ade no abam clear say oye software anka ne all night enumreka asori be ma
afa
anka bibia ebe de afa awa enti asem no papa no aka no
okay
edi kan o se nipa 4 na be qualify
yes
ye to ade ni wie no ampa nipa 4 na qualify o se de obedi nkunim no ebe ye nkunimdie ni be ye kese
yes
ampa nkunimdie no Baumia de no aye kese na den na waka se de odi nkunim no obi be huri afiri akire kese pa be sign ne ho a ewo ne de yes, Yanini.
David.
I didn't watch it. First one, second one, at home meeting. Third one,
first time I'm meeting.
Okay, ebe to me abem. Enti yenya botre kakra.
Okay.
Ye benya yenya brantie no na interrogate no. On tretre. On tretre. One dey mention on tretre nsem no mu na enkwachire. Because me dey. The oba win bia no. Nyame anu nukure ni. NDC because oni awon omu bia ni oni pattern David ensesa ni bia bia David ensesa no kra but asem no a nipa no aka no de ebe ye ne say ebe sesa the dynamics of the campaign
okay
because ye to aba wie ye no me hu say consistently MPP mpanifo no obi a say ye njai na Baumia nko but utie de papa ya ka no a wa be jai say Baumia nko no
wa ha
what I crazy because adia no ashisha it means that enya obi abeja ama Baumia ko
emphatic victory there mutwe adia na 629 your ben here can 132
so more than
400 vote difference
over 400 votes difference look at this now o kan o mo aka ni nyina bom kra enru Baumia de
no nipa 9 no nyina vote bomu a omu nu even
nipa 10
nipa 9 no
Saba kunya 0 About the account 10
years. Who can't 9 in Abomwa? Vote of me, a new half of me, Dr. Baumia.
I just say emphatic victory.
And let me emphasize it here too.
No more unipa 5.
Yes.
But the CIA, 4 now qualify.
Yes.
6 now qualify.
6 now qualify.
It I just say, some person 5 for no back count with the just almost on this.
Yeah.
A papa na sem na bem. Abem chairman, o de
but Miss Me say in the next 20, on the 4th of November, Baumia's victory is going to be emphatic, bigger than the figure that you saw it today.
Do you think say okay? So do you think say one of the other more science more you also look at the spiritual aspect of sa adwe say we are taking it serious kakana wo hwe sa daye no
utie me me say ne daye no kra be me ye adwumade. Did you hear me that?
Chama na fe na wo kasa.
Oh na so asema make na am say papa ne daye na ye mu dedodo. Okay me say sa daye no o kana me ngi ne ho akini ono waso ne daye. Okay. Maybe the American will say science. Me see what soon die. Ye ji hwachini. But I know super me ye jumadin. Say if the Diane will say 68% is the emphatic. Now obi be ebe frog no.
Yeah.
And no chere say yen so yen konkonkoda. Okay? Nyame no so na bofo bebre dae anameboa. I said Diane you can we are yetimi sisa no anamboa. And I zano.
Oh, said we miss.
Who die Yankopon akaza mission we die uncle catch Moses say A B C D. Na ya bompa ya masa die na sisanda.
So me analyze
so my point is that oh jade
Emma asem no cry we say
okay see me
because the chama to me support to
the American
and we go with the TV so
it doesn't matter.
No asem no
the American say Baumia's victory on the 4th of November is going to be emphatic, bigger than what
68%.
Yes, and Miss Me Shaw boss say in November 4th, we are hovering between 70 to 75% on this one. More recording. Let me say on the 4th of November, Ora Baumia Abaya Beko on the polling station, we are going to win between 70 to 75%. On this November. And maybe the idea okay me pesa mo be bo amagana fo nyina tie
okay
then it tells the world it says science eye adwuma
chama 70 to 75%
on the 4th of November.
Chema ehu
ebeko wa rekora ebeko abrosa
even a minimum number want me anya 70 to 75.
Oh,
with the large numbers say
this science
okay
opa proven very well.
Okay,
offer at every polling station. Be back to say and then I'm to say no be mathematics be say chairman no beto ye chairman no beto ye no obi wo polling station or in part 5 na wo ho e bia 5 na wo ho no they are not going to follow the chairman into no ho no be lost amabaumia. What about chairman ne de na ogoto ye sa 5 no beto am be so aba be kan ho
e so.
Is it no possibility? So how can you leave one side at the other ade? And then I make a choice. Me, now be a constituency chairman. I've been constituency chairman for 16 years old. Eastern region. Obie no one more bet me. I can tell me say me name the dynamics in Eastern region.
Okay.
Me constituency. Yeah, police station 40. Yeah, adwuma SLT woman. Me catch her. I catch her. Me say, sir, nipa 600 from New Jersey North no. Oh, catch them say, oh, my swam some to a bar. Me chairman, me nimu bear 400 kra. Take me as a typical example. Take my MP as a typical example. Minimum 400. Na me nipa na to abama.
Na die miracle no.
Because analysis we ya miracle so fe nipa hansia na no asesa o madwin.
Maybe possible.
E wo hefa.
When indeed
no. Give me one reason.
Nani mo nyam dead ya. Unim de Nyankopon betumi aye chama.
Broadcast or dia bodo kra brankofo ne with the whole Israel. Nya be 5,000 ko assemble. E dey assemble okay. No population ya Israel. No population na yaki o Israel.
No me yes say.
Population population 5,000.
No me yes say.
Jesus Christ na population. No. there will be more than a million.
There will
be more than a million. But miracles.
The Kasahu to confusion. Eba the omoye na.
Everybody Kasahu ko na so Israel for nya na dom ko see that.
Eti for wo there. Huh? Bibie no be mo obi atimi be leapfrog Dr. Bawumia.
Me say eni ho.
It
is not there.
I
won't say, oh, the market.
Chairman, one kasa call Eastern Regional Chairman. Now she voter a few constituency a buyer and drop it.
And nothing. Me elections. So, in terms of science here, number one, when I decided to join the race, like 10 days. We have 33 constituencies. 10 days. 10 days because I used about 8 days. Because originally on the 12th of November, I'm in America. Maybe finally on the 15th, you have elections in 28.
Yeah.
Okay? No be I'm in my region, I hear election. Me predecessor call me, I'm didn't be there. Over say election 10 days. And I don't want to discuss that. The reason why I joined the race.
Okay.
Now, so because I race in 10 days, I got 200 votes out of 560. Okay? It tells you say a idea from day one. Meanwhile, me current chairman not a regional secretary.
Yeah.
We did regional secretary for 4 years. Yes, he said constituency or no, and an etiso. He has relationship with all of us. It has 4 years relationship with us.
Yeah.
Now, so Mimi decided to me back for 10 days. Say can me be me imagine say me core region from day one. I say region the only call we are talk about 2021 after no be starting here. It could be enemy. But that could be the question.
Yeah.
It tells you say, Maza, me nyamra or region mo
hosa. Okay, it would for example say, e bim believe say, nanka the same system na man for so say or the Dr. Bawumia share MPP force no. The same system na nanka do kwa share Eastern region force. And I'm rejecting.
No. That is not the case. If you ask everybody, all they say me, or one of them who question answer. I decided to say no. At this time, I'll give a try. Okay, and then the point is that say Eastern region 4, it decided say Obia baby say oh chairman there Wamantem. They have been established some relationship, and that is elections. Elections about how you establish your relationship on the ground.
Everyone to say my boys na this game pack aso and pay draw ehwe gu adisa wo twa bia 2 6 9 and pay there and where we near utrim kwa where we near wo awia 12 and number 6 cause so share Adom TV. Chair, I'm starting with first now say 10 seconds.
Come in 10 seconds. On say me makwa about order.
Okay.
Media me call na no. Na me nim so nipa me ni gina metimi beating the 100 vote.
Okay.
So you to abanu ye no a ye ya broni friend sorting. Who say as ye nyina idea na gina so pe. We call some na 100 difference ye betimi aba. Dr. Bawumia onko abatu obi ada. Ye nto no so abada wo.
Okay.
Onyina abatu assemblyman kra onyina bi da. Na batu edi kan nie.
Anyway.
Nti said de omo akwa abatu da hu nie ma hwa akoto se wakọ MP ba ko no alusu one anane na wakọ ada so no akọje na asan age afri ni nsem wakọ bia wo hu alan so wakọ sa ono kra de veteran presidential
2007
election candidate wakọ sa Canada Japan ono so akọ MP a omo a abai nyina 4 no Bawumia nko anen abatu da eti said de hu nie ma na different se me ne no a kadaye me fa ni serious pa na Friday me come Moscow me de muma ba fo ma bompa ya asre ala se
onane
de papa no hu no onane no na leapfrog ni ntimi maso leapfrog no zun say Bawumia no ani one of the lexicons wakofa ba krom ha ne na ene ye de aso da ye tia no nti wo mo hwe na wo mo enhwe hu bibi se de me kan ye de be ko mini ni o ye wan yo mfa ye ho
ense snap movie
but said de be ya chama ye madam fo na ko say
quick one na ya hwe
so mo hwe no mo ye
leak tape ya be about
for IGP
Bugri na abo Bugri na bo akwa akwaje atum say tape no enye fake authentic. Now, on the ball, Palma record here because no person nya evidence. Eric Mampeni, was sir, and
Mira, Didi Kai, say, a parliament, Didi Kai, I was opposing Sir Parliament Committee in almost 30 years.
Oh, okay.
Because now me first say a waste of time. Because Oshe Anamoa na Akoswa. Whether a friend says so obeja to me so into.
Yeah.
We can investigate it in the other angle. And I'm a boy.
Yes.
And Ankomonu so mukudi no. Ankomo be no mukudi. It is a movement to say yenko kan bibi na yentumi IGP in fi ho. And I'm a boy. And IGP 2 minutes you kura no. Sabi enye parliament. And enye nibru na abu and I say enye sabi police ni na okọ ye na oni kodi nkomo no. 2 minutes nyina ejina mampani so and I'm a boy. And no mampani no ankasa so na dwempamu ni na namompamu no. Ohwe sabi owura dampare anamo a watu in his era as a IGP. Yeah. For me, you can never challenge his ability and the work so far why ye ewo man mo.
Okay.
Me metimi kan asimibu bi bia me kan say owura dampare appointment is one of the best appointments Nana Akufo-Addo aye ewo man mo. Okay? Entino edian ne sa na mo ya ye tui. Enti ye dey. Ye wiare the agricultural police in say if we established everyone say something concrete in it.
Yeah.
Are we trying to gag people on better say din komana? And I said, what punishment? You the massa police you know. And to me, first of all, my first proposal, your sister station was that I didn't have my police council. Because I want a police in the year Juma. And what could be the superior home and come on. Sabi Nibru na or a politician or your henny or tini baby for whatever he did. Be ethical. But the point is that what the police council not say and a movie or honor I was a punishment go here see a demana near the amano. And I believe the parliament can spend this kind of hours and this committee to do a lot of things.
Okay, so
such as say two hours say ye din komo almost sorry no colleague back no court na that minority in assess some who akugu honom e dey issue nti no dey basa this citizen issue ana spend your time on committee near fanya side and say if we have to reform the constitution and I say amend the constitution na say dual citizenship ade no ye twam na ye ma okwan ma nipa ni bitumi fra brochire begina I will dual citizenship na ekwan ba mu I know na was say something that somehow no maza a ball on this nation and taking a space in the nation's decision.
Okay, chairman e bi musu ne say nkomo na a police for ni bugri na bu ekodi ye no political coup. IGP position no by political appointment. Now munkomodie ne say Dr. George Akufo Dampare se okoso tena ho no mu a NPP ntimi break the 8. President Akufo-Addo ani so ade hu ne say NPP be break the 8. So if say ampaso butimi establish say the consistent stay of Dr. George Akufo Dampare be yo see akwan ma NPP a break 8. You think say it will not be a ground some ampani betimi apekwan bi so de yi Dr. George Akufo Dampare from when indeed the president akasebo e wo pass the party e be break the 8.
One say asenkomo ya yedie yes as obi akoso ne dai na modi abetena ha di honkomo the me passion is pass ya election kroma. Let's use science.
Yeah.
How many elections from 92 are police for them will be victory? Kroma. How many of them? And komono hollow.
We sure.
But the point I mean Mira, ye din komo. Me say what na krom higher elections. When we say a election, the security bataho. Yeah. But how many of them? Niakato say police for and anasa IGP and a ma sabi ora most edin kunim ono ma ora nanado din kunim
Okay, but Mpacho,
so think about all these things.
For example, MPP are saying off no. We share the confrontation between your general secretary and the police for say the police for no air blocking and for me voting. You feel so me voted the MPP. And it is the police for two side months here. MOB losing.
Yeah, my client no aye ting. Me nkase enema to me see.
Okay.
Or register the protest.
Yeah.
My general secretary was register his protest on the activities that is happening on the ground.
Yeah.
And to me see that end is one register protest. Sure. How many of them? There were 275 constituencies.
Yeah.
Mira, men can't just say BBNC within the elections.
Okay.
So when did democracy crab buy a BBN America DNC and then a Trump and then I'm court.
Yeah.
Otiase. Men can't just say BBNC. But the security force, Juma Omuyeno, they do it as much as to make sure say they will minimize this kind of situation. A bit like I say, yeah, police for yeah, mobia metwaba. Yeah, to Otiase. Doesn't happen in this country before.
Maybe
apart from one or two police stations, yeah, Becca say yes. Anything I'm going to say, and your police for and Asabi or Mutuaba and I say Omoma victory, Emma presidents. Because I can give you instances, sir. The commander in chief who is controlling the armed forces and the police, you know, Otia Konyasu, no one losing elections.
Yeah.
Ora Rollins, Odi 11 years plus 8, 19 years. 2000, what happened? He lost it.
One lose election.
The party as a general. They say also Nanado say the dream shall be breaking 8.
The dream of MPP be breaking 8.
And Ora Rollins no dey nyina ayepɛ.
Okay.
And no Ora Kufuor dey ayepɛ.
Yeah.
Within 8 years away,
Sure.
the dream is or call be hand over to the MPP. And I'm a boy.
Yeah.
But so obi kotena baby. Ekodin komo say they happen was sin of. As in of what happened? Edian pan see was sin of. Edian pan see.
Okay.
Bro Jacobi. Edian pan see. It is the me can say. San komo na omudi na nado enfanya adwuma.
Okay.
Now Okachan say he has confidence. The Minister of Interior I can clearly to the state say the president have confidence in Owura Dampare Juma Oye.
Okay.
Me as a citizen, I have highly confidence in him.
Okay.
Because Mira, Juma Waye Nina, 10 seconds, na Mira Bam. Juma Waye Nina, since I appoint him, he's the best IGP in the era that I can since Abia, me IGP pa me share them who from Namfori.
Okay.
Till now. Mekato say you can IGP Waye Juma obi en who twa Dampare.
But I say
the state is ready to protect him,
okay.
And they will continue supporting him to do his work.
A police for and now only a police in penny for power. Omako MPP former regional chairman or influence because or ye mind will be our own. And one more cobona man say MPP person mudim kunim 2024. On Badwam Mpensenpensemu na omun change Dampare san common in Nigeria. Now, assembly be told no Mampenin kan ho hwe. Police council kan ho hwe. Senye parliament ena yes yentia badweko ni nhwemu a nka asem no obi anka.
Oh, Debbie, you are not being fair to the Minister of Interior.
No,
bring it out. Oh, correct.
But can okra say before I call a saying off no na ye say Dampare ye be changing no. Yes, it was all over on social media and for ye change Dampare it was all over.
Otida
na sarumo no okrum
I na okrum pa.
Okay.
Me Dampare me check no if you say niam bi o ya me hu ne say o de favor ban no a eteso ne mo
sir
nanu ye omokoto abai. Yes, youth organizer edit say akonya say that deal say din abo bi ani ama ohwe say de papa na ani ahono a ebesi na police for nkan he NDC koye conference o Cape Coast a twitwi bi si ona police issue wanted near the mfoni newspapers mu na nam and na me ne o ka say bi gina court and so 2 MPP dia no ayedi ntime me check no but adia obi be ya e de partisanship beba police mu no ehu pa because police you know so the party we mu a Macron no ne niam bebre kosoro.
Yeah.
As at now you complaining we heard from 2018 besi na me hu police advert police year recruitment da enso de bia be fa abonti be unso bi she police atare ya mu no ofiri hin obedi police no eti sa niema no a ekoso within the Ghana Police Service na nye I was say discipline bem. So if 7 officers timi kobo pose yen change IGP no omo na ye MPP for pa ne yemfa omumra ehu a ese discipline ebem.
But broja
chairman e can say police intimi nsesa aba. I mean man one example. Ukọ sefie so na no aba 2020.
Okay.
Ya to aba ni nyina awie aka one polling station. As our one polling station resource ne be kan ho a ebe sesa aba no. Police for asem ba ho MPP force wo mo mpini overvoting yemfa ballot box no emra collation center no police for mo de ballot box ne ba no so mo ne nkofo di nkomo osadie yo omo de ballot box ne kosi pick up achi na omo kotena pick up ni inside before ballot box ne be do polling station and MPP supporters up to go pick up no so as say ballot papers no. Until electoral commission was a few also. Electoral commission was a few also declare results without one polling station at the Obite Parliament. It you told that police are not professional. It means the same about what. Techiman out there my course or yen na yehu. Ah police for timi kura to hwe nipa botu ma nipa wu. Eti police there yen na yafa wo mo adwuma omo so mo man no. And e di tu ahye wo mo nsa. So omo de asori sembam. Say we police ni na ye kremonia oyonko kremoni ya ade ayenka ebe say Ghana Police Service.
Okay.
Sana wo mo de tribe sembam so ye police ni na ya santinia ye chumunia santinia janwa ebe say police service. The same way and obi can say yemfa police for mo MPP for and wo mo meda police service anu no mo hwe o man no a e je say ya ka nyina no yenka o man no ho anase.
Broja, is it also not strange we share and semana a place for the canon commonimua say Dan Parienya assurance from former President Mahama say we need 2024 obesa manatana kunyan so as IGP enonti amadam pare to anamo obe favor John Dramani Mahama any NDC ufa osi police recruitment here no ye twa 300 and the ama former President Mahama. And it things away and yes serious.
These are serious allegations.
Yeah.
I nunti ehun hiase ye nhwehwe. But assuming say some no awomo kan, let's take it just on the face value of it. We say Dampare.
Yeah.
Only former President Mahama ye meeting.
It's that way sana place for next.
Former President Mahama na Damfo no. Oni no kodware nsuo, omo didi bom, omo na di fufuo de ka de obeka dia. Yeah. Ye nyi Dampare mfiri ama na sese ye de ne ba. Nyo obi oye neutral. Na wo kodi nkomo say IGP no NDC for na hwibom. Ye nyina ne amfa MPP ni mra. No ono meye MPP agenda. Na say problem be na wo solve.
Ono nka so solve was or solve ne be ma MPP.
That is why the person must be disciplined. That is why the person must be disciplined. Because yemfa say who accuse Dampare say oye niema bia enya a favor NDC, which is not good because police service no any kwan say party same near there. And then the former President Mahama ono na obo Ghana. And then also for police ye dey 300 command say for call for bra. It would have been wrong if it was even true. It is a who koka say nipa ne yenyini free wa. Na wa koka kire Bugri na abu say na Dampare ni MDC for ye enye etiyempe obi a wono police no ene da nani so na wo se yenyini free won yemfa wo mra wo be ye MPP adwuma na asem no ankomo na ne Bugri na abu kodi ye no enkomo papa. That is why it must be investigated. Enti adwuma na parliament ye no me fua so pa but ye me ya ne say mate me de manhwe ba mate say yesi Bugri na abu say tape no se no de command president o so de command no se de yun aden na tape ni beto odwa besi ni mampani Akufo Adom ne nsanka ne nanka asem bia amfa no ho ejaye nansen yeso akoka se ono de ade na se ye oko na ni uni da bi obeba no meye ni ye
ne Bugri na abu ekan we fa che me o say o de tape ni koma mampani
okay
and na police ni na efe no asare efe no waka che ne say or threaten. I say now some come idea no record here. So the amount a bugri na bonankasa kwa no, he was living in fear. Because no fear say enkomo de akoma mampani, yeah mampani betu ho anamo enno. So for Asari to call him and say enkomo na dey no record and tell him say e be a tape na copy.
There's a tape na leave your mampani aso which is also not good.
Minim there.
Which is also not good.
Mirror.
Nti no ade ani nyina no chama de mami foma no si wakasa bebre chama. O de anya hwewe mami o de jama me na meka.
Later was right.
Enti dia me de ma no si
nyina 25. Obi enya 3 minutes.
Adwumadie no a parliament ye no.
Yeah.
Papa ye nyina ye support wo.
Okay.
Mampani sesesi anu ntimi ntu ho anamo a recommendation sa parliament de beba no ye mfa nya adwuma na ye make sure say police service na wom say mampani na appointed there enti e den a wo ye wadwuma no a nipa no wa appointed wo no behwe ne kakra but it must not be too partisan.
Okay.
To the extent say ye ni police ni obemo awene power na ye the police for na awene power na John Mahama otena asosori ma mo ba.
But see broja Jamfi, ya da munyina so ojebre na share.
Oh yeah, I say 25. I think 18.
Ebre so.
Sir.
Ya be share pa. Ya be sa e de share be din. De akwasi Asia.